So you need a bronzer. That's the first thing you need. And the only place you need the bronzer is on the cupid. Just watch the video. Do you see where I'm placing it? That's where you need to place it. So shape that properly. Highlight your cupid properly with that bronzer. The next place is under, just right under it as well. And that is the only area, don't overdo it. Now, can you see how that bronzer has given me like a lifted look, as if my lips are pouting or something? That's what you're going for. Now time to line with a lip liner. So I'm using my lip liner. I think this one is from Colourpop, just a brown lip liner. And what matters here is that you line, don't overline, line your lips properly. That's what I'm showing here. Don't overline, line the lip. Yeah. Good. Lovely. Now we are shading the inner corners. So shade the inner corners. The only place you need to overline is the cupid. That's what I'm showing there. So overline your cupid, but not the corners, please. Only overline the cupid. You all see that now. Do you see that shape? That's what you're going for. That's that Barbie doll lip. Now put a dividing line. A dividing line in the middle. That's what I'm doing. Time to extend the lips. A little line is going to make your lips look like it's bigger. Don't overdo it. If not, you look like a joker or like a clown. So just a little line. Do you see how little that line is? That's what you're going for. Now, do you see that? That's the shape we're going for. Good. So same to the other side. A little line. Don't forget. That's what we want. Thank you. Lovely. So now it looks like I'm pouting. So I'm going in with a nude lipstick. This one is from NYX. A lip gloss. Another nude lip stick. Sorry, another nude lipstick, yeah. And finally, I'm going in with a white concealer to put like a pop in the middle. Do you see the difference that makes? Now, mind you can do this with any lipstick at all. What matters is that you get the exact shape. Now that's it. I hope that's useful, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.